Hi everyone, I Shurujit welcome you all on Econometrics Day channel. आज हम लोग सीखने वाले हैं क्लास 10 का मैथमेटिक्स। तो चलिए बिना वक्त गवाए शुरू करते हैं आज का क्लास। Now today class 10 students, we are again going to continue with chapter 13 statistics. And today we are going to continue with exercise 13.3 and today's part is part 3. Those who have not watched the previous parts, I have shared the link at the end of the video. So do watch those parts and then watch this part. Then what will happen? The concept will be more clearer to you and it will be easy for you to solve the sums. Now today we are going to solve question number 2. If the median of the distribution given below is 28.5. That means here the median is being provided to us. Okay, the median is being provided to us. Find the value of x. You have to find out the value of x and the value of y. Now where is this x? See, the chart is given. X is here. This x is how much? And this y is there. This y is how much? Okay, and we have to see here that the median is provided to us. So after this, the next column, what I told you, to find out the cumulative frequency. Why cumulative frequency? Because this sum is about median, and when we do median, we have to find out the cumulative frequency. So how to find out? We will write 5. Okay, then the next one is 5 and x. If I add, so it will be what? 5 plus x. Now this 5 plus x plus 20 is how much? See, 5 plus x plus 20. So these two you can add, 25 plus x. So I will write here 25 plus x. Now after that again 25 plus x plus what? 15. So if you can add these two numbers, okay, it becomes what? 40 plus x. So what we will write here? 40 plus x. Then 40 plus x plus y. So nothing you can do, you have to write like that, only 40 plus x plus y. And the last one is what? 40 plus x plus y plus again 5 is there. So you can add these two. So 45 plus x plus y. So we will write 45 plus x plus y. Clear up to this much? Clear? No? First you have to find out the cumulative frequency. Now after finding out the cumulative frequency, now you see nicely the median is given. So what we can write? Now this is over. What we will do, see, the median is given to us 28.5. Now here we used to write, here we used to circle it and we used to write n. But if I write n also, here 45 is a number but x or y, they are unknown. So I cannot find out the median class. So how I will find out the median class? I have to see the median. Median is 28.5. So 28.5 is lying between which one? 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, which one? So 28.5 will be in between 20 to 30. So this only will be the what? The median class. Clear? No? Since the median is 28.5, so it is lying between, it will be in between 20 and 30, because 28.5 is more than 20 but less than 30. So this is the median class. So this one how I will write? Since median equal to 28.5, therefore median class equal to what? 20-30. Clear? So I got the median. Now we used to write this one what? N. We used to write this one n. Clear? No? And what is this one n? The sum of the frequency only, because cumulative frequency you are getting from frequency only. This is frequency. From frequency only you are getting cumulative frequency. So this is n. Again you can see here adding this one is also n, that is summation f. So both are same. So what I will write? I will write n equal to 60. See, n is 60. Again, n means 45 plus x plus y. So I will write 45 plus x plus y equal to 60. Then x plus y equal to 60 minus 45. After that, x plus y equal to 15, and then the last step, x equal to 15 minus y, and I will make it dot dot 1, equation 1. So I will keep this one as equation 1. Now I got the median class. So when I got the median class, now I can easily find out the values. So I will make another paragraph. Now L equal to what? 20. See, median class 20 to 30, 20. Now comma n by 2. So n by 2, n already I can use 60, also I can use 45 plus x plus y. So which one is easy, to use this one or this one? The easiest one to use is 60. Okay, why 60? If you use 45 plus x plus y, again x or y will be unknown, so there will be problem. So better to use 60. So 60 by 2. So what you get here? 30. Clear now? Then after that, n you got it. Now after that, what? CF. Now CF is how much? CF is the cumulative frequency preceding the median class. So preceding the median class will be this one, 5 plus x. So I will write here 5 plus x. Then I need f. F means the frequency of the median class, and that is what? 20. So I will write here 20. And then at last I need h. H will be the gap, okay, 20 to 30. So it will be what? 10. Clear up to this much? Now what I will write? By the problem. Okay, I will write by the problem, and then I will write median. See, median was given to us. How much? 28.5. Now median formula is what? L plus n by 2 minus CF by f into h equal to 28.5. Now the formula of median I wrote, and the value of the median is also given to us. So now I will put the values, okay, values of the rest of the terms. Now from here I am shifting this side. L is how much? L is 20 plus. Then we will draw one line. Now n by 2 is how much? 30 minus. Now CF is how much? 5 plus x. And then f is how much? 20. Then h is how much? 10, equal to 28.5. Clear? After this, what I will do? I will not write this 20. I will take this one. Okay. But before taking this one, see 20 and this is 10. I can cut this 0, 0. So what is left? 30. Now if I open the bracket, minus 5 minus x by 2 equal to 28.5, and minus this plus 20 goes that side, so minus 20. So now after that, 30 minus 5 is what? 25 minus x by 2 equal to, if you subtract, 8.5. So how you got 8.5? If you see nicely how you got, if I do it here, 28.5 and this is 20 means 20.0. So 5 and this is coming 8. So 8.5. Now after that, 25 minus x equal to, now this one will multiply with this one. Clear now? So 2 into 8.5 will be what? 17. Clear now? So if you don't know, you can do one rough work. See, if I do a rough work, 8.5 into 2, 2 5s are 10, 1, 2 8s are 16, 17. And the point will be from this side after one digit. Okay. Now minus x equal to 17. 25 goes that side, minus 25. So minus x equal to here minus, and you will get 8. Now minus minus cancels and you are getting what? 8. You got the value of x. Now this value only you will put it in equation 1. So what you can write? Putting x equal to 8 in equation 1 we get. So equation 1 is what? X equal to 15 minus y. Okay. Now what we will do? X value you have. x value is how much? 8 equal to 15 minus y. Now minus y, bring it here, plus y. 15 as it is. Now what I have not written? 8 I have not written. Transfer this 8 to that side, minus 8. So what you get? Y equal to what? 15 minus 8 is how much? 7. So you got the value of y also. So once you got the value of y, once you got the value of x, the sum is over. Now you have to highlight. So what you can say? Therefore, x is equal to 8, y is equal to 7. And you can write the answer in this way. Now students, those who are new in my channel, if you like this video, if you like my channel, then I would like to request all my students to please give a like, share this video more and more with your friends, classmates and relatives, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Because when you subscribe, it really motivates me to make more such interesting videos for you all. And also don't forget to press the all notification bell, ting ting, so that whenever I upload such videos, you are going to get the notifications first. So this sum number 2, I think you have understood nicely. Here the median is provided to us, and with the help of that median only and this chart only, we have to find out the value of x and the value of y. Clear or not? So for that we have to frame one equation. This equation we have to frame it. X is equal to 15 minus y. Now this equation x is equal to 15 minus y, you can frame another way also. Y is equal to, you can transfer x to that side. So 15 minus x. And if you do like that way, then this will be also much more easier way also. So how you will do? Because it will be written as y is equal to 15 minus x. So 15 minus 8 and you will get 7. Clear or not? And after getting the values of x and y, please highlight the answer that x is equal to 8, y is equal to 7. So I hope this sum you have understood, and it is a very important sum. So practice nicely. Okay. So video अगर अच्छा लगे तो वीडियो को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा। मिलते हैं और एक अच्छे नए कंटेंट के साथ। तब तक के लिए